Hello, my name is Bruce Hitchin and welcome to Center Lane. My channel is dedicated to the love of cars. The number of cars that I personally own is only limited by the number of cars that I can afford, how many I can keep here in my garage, and how many I can afford to maintain. It's also, I guess, limited by the objections of my wife. Now, I think all cars are cool, whether they're new cars, old cars, pickup trucks, or sports cars. I find them all really interesting, and I know a lot of you do too. I personally own a 1990 Porsche 928. It's a car that I've owned for a number of years. I've done some restoration work on it. I actually did a YouTube series on restoring the car, and you can see that on my channel. It's called Bruce's 928. Next, I have a Corvette, 2001 C5 Corvette. In fact, last year we took this car on all the way to Bowling Green, Kentucky for the 2019 Corvette Caravan. I love the Corvette. I never really thought I'd be a Corvette fan until I owned one. It's probably my favorite out of all the cars that I own. I also have a 1990 Porsche 944 Cabrio. This one's unrestored, only has 56,000 miles on it, and it's really a beautiful car. Get all kinds of comments whenever I take it out. It looks like it's brand new. It's got the original paint, the original interior. Everything on that car is just fantastic. Now, I just bought this 1967 Mustang Coupe, and I'm going to do a video series on restoring this car. It's going to be called Andy's Stang, after the fellow who I bought it from. It's got a story behind it, and we'll follow that story. I'll tell you about the history of the car, and we're going to follow the restoration process and show you what we're going to do to the car. We're going to strip it down, repaint it, do some mechanical work, do the interior. I think it's going to be really exciting. Since I can't own all the cars that I'd really like to, I'm going to talk to some other people about their cars and get them to tell me some of their car stories. There's a lot of people out there with interesting cars, and we're going to take a look at some of them. I'm also going to tell you some of the stories about some of my cars. Now, this is not a how-to channel. I'm not a mechanic, but that's not going to stop me from doing a bit of work on this car. But I'm also going to get some friends in and some other people that do know what they're doing to help me with the process. This channel is mostly about having conversations with people about their cars, whether they're 50s classics or supercars. Please remember to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have a story about your car that you would like to share, please leave me a message and maybe we'll feature you on a future episode. Until then, thanks for watching.